Hello guys, welcome to day 169 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Yesterday I were trying to create or complete my the mega menu that I were design, and I were successfully created some div tags which I put some image tags on these div tags. So after that, I tried to include some padding inside of my banner. Let me show you. Here, as you can see, I created some banner, which is play green, play red, cache, shop, console, and these four banners. And I included some. I add some padding here and some gaps between them, so and change the background to the white. So if I click in every banner, it will lead the user or me, when clicking on this banner, going to google.com. But instead of google.com, I can add some other page, but because of I don't have any other page, so I just link them to the Google, so as default. Sorry for my English, I'm trying to choose the best words. So I'm going to continue finishing my design. This is the valid design, the main design that I am trying to create it. So right now I created all of these tags, and I need to add some title for them here and here and here. Okay, let's see how we can do that. So we have a lot of div tags here. So these titles are in the up of the first banners. I were thinking about to create 3 div tags and put every single rows on them, but I think it is not a good way. Let me check. I have a div tag called streak, right? If I add a title here in the streak div tag, it will bring the streak some pixel down. So I don't think it's a good idea, but let's just try it and see the results. Where is a streak? Streak. This is a streak div tag. It have a tag called anchor tag, but let's say title, Control S. As I guessed, it will bring down the title. So what can I do? Maybe I can bring all of these 3 divs down one level, like they have a title, and then trying to fix them here. Of course, I could have add more space more rows and put the title in that rows. I think it's a better plan. But how can I do that? I'm searching for the best solution for this problem. One other problem is that this div tag, which is green, it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller and smaller because of the height of the second div tag, which is this one. I can give all of these three div tags a margin. For example, if I give the dragon, I can say margin top like 5 pixel. If I press Ctrl S, let me cut this, paste it for dragon here. Let's make it 10 pixel. It didn't change it. Margin top 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Okay. Maybe it needs more pixel here, like 20 pixel. Little bit less, like 18. It's good. So I can do this for the rest of tags, rest of the divs. But if I want to check if I reduce the gap between these rows, is it affect these two tags as well? Let's check that. So if I say the gap here, the gap row be like 30 pixel. Now, okay, it's not going to make any problem, right? So let's do this for the other tags. Like I can give all of them a margin of 80 pixel, 80 pixel. Just copy and paste it. I just need to see. Okay. What's happened? What is this? MDN reference. MDN reference. Syntax guideline. Let me make this off. MDN reference. How to reference disable in VS Code. Disable. Go to preference, settings, search for MDN, and then disable the desired reference. Settings, preference settings, search for MDN. Where is preference? Go to preference or settings, search for MDN. I cannot see any preferences. Tools menu, option text editor, Kotlins uncheck, show JavaScript. This is not the one I want. How to disable MDN reference. Jeez. Where is preference? Here. Settings. Search for MDN. Let's just disable all of this and get rid of that hover. It will show it again. To get set values for the thickness, the margin area, I've left this. I don't want to see this. So let's bring back what we have done. We will check this later. What happened? Why all of even these dragon div came back to the top? What's the problem? I give them a margin top. Let's include them one by one, like here. Okay, it's fixed this dragon. Let's do it for a squad. It fixed the problem, Ninja. Okay, Ninja done. Now let's add some title for cache and play green. For cache and play green. title and title. Okay, now let's give the playwright the shop streak, the console. So I figure out what is the problem. When I give them a margin, this will bring this title more down. So right now I have to remove the padding, the title for the margin for title, the streak actually. The streak margin should be removed. Pressing Ctrl S. Everything is good. Okay, now let's give them a proper title, like, I don't know, player. This should be player. This should be shop, player, shop, game, player, shop, game. So let's get back here. Let's say, where is it? Here, player, shop, game. Good. We can later change the font of this for practice. It's a good practice, but let's first of all, right now, let's focus on other problems. I think it have a lot of gaps here, as you can see. So I'm going to reduce the gap. Where is the gap? Here is the gap, the row, the gap for row. Like 50 pixel, Control S. It's good. Let's make it a little less or lesser. 10 pixel. It looks good, right? If you check this design and compare it to this one, what if I give it like, I don't know, 8 pixel? Control S. It's good. It is good, I think. Looks good. Okay. Now let's get for putting a picture here in the black div, which is this girl here. I'm going to screenshot from it. Control, where is it? Here, save it as girl, save. Now, where is it? Black div. Black div should be the one div tag. I'm going to remove the content. I'm going to give it image tag, or before that, let's create anchor tag, and let's say go to the, I don't know, google.com. Let's just copy and paste this part, and I'll just copy it and I'm going to paste it right here. So we just need to change the name of the asset to girl, Control S. If I press the left click, it will lead us to the Google. So it works good. Now let's create the third div tag here. How much time we spent? We spent 20 minutes. Let's spend 10 more minutes. Let me see the main design. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns. Every column have a title, a main title here, and subtitle in the green, and other links. Let me think about what is the best way to create this. It's like a table tag. I don't know if it's good to create a table tag for this. Or I can create, actually for practice, flexbox. Right now I practiced in the grid method, and let me use flexbox for this part. So in this case we will re-practice the flexbox method as well, but I don't know if flexbox will do this work. So let's just see how flexbox works. I'm going to read my notes here, or maybe search in the Google how about flexbox. Let's open these two links. So it's most of the times the developer.mozilla and the W3 schools have a good examples. Why flexbox? Sample of flexbox. This is looking a good example, right? This is the best example that we can have. So we have some columns and some words on that. Here we see that the children are indeed breaking out of their container. One way in which you can fix this is to add the following declaration to your section row. So flex wrap. Let me check this link. CSS Flexbox Layout Module. Block for sections in web page, inline, table, blah blah. Flexbox elements. To start using the Flexbox model, you need to first define a flex container. The elements above represent a flex container, the blue area, with 3 flex items. So we create a flex container and we give it 3 items. Every item is a div tag, so we can conclude we can see it as a column. I'm just copying this class Okay, and let's see where we need to include it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 column, so 5 flex item we need. I'm thinking about creating two container, two div tag, or not. The flex container is actually the here. I am already created. It's called 2. No, 3. Here. Right? I can say Control V. I think it's not necessary to call it as flex container. Maybe these will work as well, but because if I change the class of these, I need to go here and change some stuff as well. Let's just do this. We can say flex container. I'm going to comment this for now, and we can say flex container is same as 3. Pressing Control S. Let me check if I used this 3 anywhere else. Looks not. Okay. Pressing Control S. I hope nothing be wrong. We use the class called flex container, and why it doesn't work. Okay, I'm going to read my notes about flexbox tomorrow. So tomorrow, tomorrow I have a university class. So Monday, Thursday, and Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what was the fourth? My English is not good, sorry. I have 3 days in the week university, so tomorrow is the day first. I'm going to read about flexbox tomorrow at the morning. So let's finish this section. Thank you guys for watching. By the way, if you like, you can connect to my Discord channel, which I give a invite link into the description part of my YouTube channel. You can see it here. If you click this arrow, this is invite link to the Discord channel of mine. Me and some of my friends, we are helping each other to learn programming in this channel, so you can add yourself in this channel if you like it. So thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.